far as some of the special passenger trains that have been now plying for quite some time, the IRCTC has now reissued guidelines and made it very clear that only those people who agree to the quarantine measures in the destination areas are going to be allowed to board these special passenger trains. They are going to be asked to tick this while booking their trains. A pop-up is going to emerge after during the time of ticket booking, and they're going to be asked if they've read all the health advisory and are ready to be quarantined in their destination states. Remember, to and fro from the national capital, 15 routes have been identified across the length and breadth of the country, and people are booking those trains. Several special passengers trains have already plied, and this has now come into effect because around 50 passengers who arrived in Bengaluru from the national capital 3 days ago refused to be quarantined at an institutional facility, ended up creating a ruckus at the station. My colleague Shantashri is joining us on the phone line with more.
Yes, Shivani, as you just mentioned, these passengers refused to be quarantined, and that's why after that, a special bogie was arranged by the railways to send them back to the source from which they had come to their destination, and that is Bangalore. So clearly, in order to avoid such miscommunication, such any kind of ruckus at the railway stations, this kind of pop-up will emerge when a passenger is going to book a special AC coach in the special trains that had been running for the last few days, and then only when they select that they are aware of the MHA guidelines that they have to be quarantined when they reach the destination state, then and abide by the same rules, whatever rules the destination state has laid down, then only they will be going ahead forward and book the tickets. So clearly we see that this is the kind of the condition that will be laid forward before a passenger goes ahead on IRCTC website and will be made mandatory to get that ticket confirmed. So clearly these restrictions are required in order to avoid any kind of other crisis.
Absolutely. And it is important for every passenger to cooperate as far as these measures are concerned, because that is the only way that travel actually can be allowed. If passengers do not cooperate, then a situation can arise when even such special travel may not actually be possible, because it is a matter of concern for each individual state. People who are coming in have to be traced and they have to be quarantined for a certain period. Shantashri, thanks a lot for bringing us more details.
Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.